In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add custom CSS in Prestashop. Customizing your store's appearance through CSS can significantly impact the user experience and brand alignment of your online shop. So, let's dive straight into it. To begin, once you've logged in, you'll be redirected to your Prestashop back-office dashboard. This is where the magic really happens. On your dashboard, you'll want to locate the Design section. This is your playground for tweaking how your shop looks and feels to the visitors. Get familiar with this area, as it's where you can personalize your shop's visual appeal. Next, you'll need to click on Themes and Modules. This section is full of various customization options that allow you to adapt your theme to better suit your specific needs. As you navigate deeper into this section, you'll want to focus on the area marked Advanced Customization. Here, you are given an array of options to further refine and tailor your store's design to match your exact preferences. At this stage, if you're comfortable with navigating servers, you might decide to open your theme directory using an FTP client or a file manager. It's worth noting, though, that if you're using a hosted trial account, direct access to the file manager might not be available. It's crucial to have a good understanding of the platform you are operating on, as well as any limitations that might come with it. Now, if you have access to your files, you might consider heading over to Assets/Custom CSS to directly input your own CSS. However, if that approach doesn't suit you, perhaps due to the constraints of a hosted environment, don't worry. There's an alternative method. You can navigate to the Modules section from your dashboard and click on Module Manager. Here, you can search for a module that aligns with your needs, such as custom CSS, custom code, or an HTML box. Once you find a suitable module, simply click on Install. After the installation is complete, dive into the module settings where you'll discover a CSS box waiting for your custom code. Once your custom CSS is added using either method, you're not quite done yet. Head over to Settings, find Advanced Parameters, and then click on Performance. It's essential to disable the cache here before you click on Clear Cache. This step ensures that your changes take effect immediately, making them visible to your store's visitors. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully added custom CSS to your Prestashop store. Take the time to experiment with different styles and continue refining the design until it fits just right. Happy customizing!